Hello everyone, myself Isha Gautam, member of Cisco Unity Connection messaging team. I'm here to present the demo for configuring Office 365 with Cisco Unity Connection. Shown is the KUKA page for Office Cisco Unity Connection. With the version 8.6.2.76. This is the admin account for Office 365. This admin account has many management roles, including creating users and service accounts. It has one service account. This service account has been assigned impersonation rights by the admin, and there are other normal user accounts. On the KUKA, we'll configure this service in Unified Messaging Service page by clicking on Add New, selecting Type as Office 365, and this page will be displayed. Now, entering right input in every field will create one admin account. For our use, I have already created one service for Office 365. The type as Office 365. Enable field has been checked. Display name as Office 365. Port server. Proxy server has been given into those Unity connection systems where Cisco Unity connection is not connected to direct internet. Since this connection is directly connected to internet, there is no need to provide any proxy server. Hosted service Exchange server could be connected to Exchange servers using auto-discovery or by specifying hosted Exchange server's IP address. For Office 365, we won't recommend to have IP address for Office 365. So we usually use search for Office 365 using Active Directory DNS domain name. This domain name is the domain name we have created while creating the admin account on Exchange server. Now, account used to access Exchange. The username will be the service account we have created on Exchange Office 365 and its password. I have already enabled all the service capabilities, that is TDS, calendaring and contact, and single inbox functioning. It could be useful for message action for email, message action for fax as well. After saving this functionality, we can test it. It has been connected to directly Office 365 or not. Yes. So, this test execution results shows successful connection to Exchange CAS servers through one of the URLs. Auto-discovery is a feature for trying again and again through different URLs to the Office 365 Exchange server. And at the URL it has been connected, it shows successful connection to Exchange CAS server. It has found this Exchange CAS server through this URL. So the test button has been passed, giving all the validation results. Now, how to connect any user with this unified messaging service? User has been created in the user account. I have already created two users, AR user account 1, AR user account 3, and both of these user accounts is already present in admin account in Office 365, AR user account 1, AR user account 3. The user should be present both on Exchange as well as on connection. The user should be configured to the same service we have created in the Edit, Unified Messaging Account, Add New, and selecting that particular service. Since I have already selected and configured that user, we can see it has one service account. the unified messaging service account name this, service account type Office 365, and account information. Use this email address. The fields should be presented filled with user account email address with any of the service capabilities enabled, especially single inbox should be enabled for all the single inbox features to get working. After saving this, we can test the user account page. This test button shows the result if that user account has been found in that Exchange CAS server or not. The test button result shows all the validation results that EM service account had, and searching for the network, it has successfully connected the Exchange CAS server and also found the mailbox for this user account. The server cannot be pinged its warning when it doesn't work through firewall, but it doesn't affect any functionality. Mailbox for the user has been successfully accessed and connected. So we will see that all the test button results for user account has been successfully connected. Closing this. Shown is the web inbox page for one of the user. I'll show you the admin account. This is the VMO Outlook page for the same user. I'll send one message voicemail from user 1 to user 2 to see the syncing functionality. I'm sending this particular voicemail from user account 1 to user account 2 with the subject voicemail from user 1, and I've uploaded one of the WAV file. Sent. SecurityAlert would say yes. So the particular message has been sent from user 1. We'll check if user 2 has received this mail or not. Yes, this is the OVA page, Outlook Web Application page for user account 2. And we have seen that voicemail from user 1 with the subject has been received. And MWI for that particular user has been on. And the same voicemail has been synced to the web inbox for the second user. Now we'll check if read and read works. I read this particular message from web inbox and it should reflect to the Exchange and to the MWI of this user. So this voicemail has been read from web inbox connection. The MWI goes off, and we have seen the in the over page, that particular voicemail has been changed to the red state. Trial. I'll also check if its unreads work. Mark as unread. Signal has been marked unread from connection, and that has to be synced. That has been synced to OVA Exchange server as well. This voicemail has been marked red, and MWI goes on again. So we'll delete this message from web inbox. It has been sent to the deleted folder. Here it is. It should be synced to Exchange as well. Yes, MWI goes off, and from here it has been synced to the deleted item. Here it is. First, the syncing works fine from CNC connection to Exchange. Similarly, vice versa, all the syncing should work from Exchange to connection as well. I'll send one new voicemail from user 1 to user 2 using VMO. This is user 1, so I'm sending it to user 2. sent. You'll see that particular voicemail will be in the voice outbox and will be synced and sent to other user inbox. The voicemail has been fetched from the voice outbox folder and it has been synced in the web inbox for the user second. Similarly, all the read and read feature and delete feature works from Exchange to connection. I'll read this particular voicemail from Exchange. It should be synced to connection. Yeah. Similarly, if I mark this as unread, it should be marked as unread in connection as well. Yeah. So these are all the features for single inbox for configuring Office 365 with Cisco Unity connection. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.